Looking for your next RV adventure? Join us at Howdy RV in Aransas Pass.
We've got a huge selection of RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes, with options and floor plans to fit every lifestyle and budget.
Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway, hauling your toys off to the coast, or taking a cross-country trip, Howdy RV has the perfect camper for you.
And when the road gets rough, we've got you covered there too. Not only do we have 8 service bays, we offer a mobile service where we'll come to you for repairs when you need it. And for a limited time, we even have discounted labor rates. We'll get you back on the road fast.
Looking to sell your boat or RV? Consign with us and enjoy free storage while our experts work to sell it fast.
And here's the best part. When you shop local with Howdy RV, you're not only getting a great deal, you're supporting a hometown business that proudly serves Aransas Pass and the surrounding communities.
So stop by Howdy RV in Aransas Pass today and let's get you rolling towards your next adventure.
Howdy RV, where the journey begins.